Want to customize your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your wallpaper, customize widgets, edit the clock style, and even remove the new liquid glass effect on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and make sure you've updated to iOS 26. Next, scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Now, swipe all the way to the right and tap the plus icon to create a new lock screen. You'll see several wallpaper options here, including the new iOS 26 wallpapers. Most people will probably use a photo from their gallery, so tap Photos and choose any image you want. A new iOS 26 feature lets you create a spatial or 3D lock screen effect. After selecting your photo, tap the small icon near the top right above Add Widgets. Your iPhone will generate a spatial scene that gives the wallpaper a depth effect, making the subject stand out while the background moves slightly. You can also customize the clock size and style. Just tap the clock to change the font, color, and appearance. If you don't like the new liquid glass look in iOS 26, tap Solid at the bottom right to switch back to the classic lock screen style. You can also tap Add Widgets to add things like calendar, clock, weather, or photos. You can even replace the flashlight or camera shortcuts at the bottom with other controls like Calculator. Once you've finished customizing your iPhone lock screen, tap Add in the top right to save everything. And that's it.